So now we're just gonna do some pretend orders so I can show you how to actually set everything on here. So here's how things might be ordered. So we're gonna use assist control mode at 6 to 8 mLs per kilogram of ideal body weight, a respiratory rate of 12, a PEEP of 5, I to E ratio of 1 to 4, and a FiO2 of 40%. So we'll turn that on by holding the on standby button. Hit silence. We'll select a new patient. We're going to assume this is an adult patient that weighs 80 kilos, ideal body weight. Okay, so now you can see it's already preset to the assist control. It's already giving ventilations to the patient. So our tidal volume will be 6 to 8 mLs per kilogram, and that's the 80 kilos. So we'll start out at 480, because that's that 6 times 80. Okay, our respiratory rate is already set to 12. If we needed to change that, you just click it. Now you can see it's the only thing highlighted. Change the value to where you want it. Next, our PEEP is down here in the bottom right. We'll click that. Again, it's the only thing highlighted. Bump that up to 5. And now you can see up here in your airway pressure that it's got that baseline pressure of 5 now. And then our FiO2 in this order is at 40%, so we'll scroll that down. Click again. And then our inspiratory is 1 to 4, and we have a 5-second breath, so that will be a 1 second inspiratory time for a 4-second exhale. And you can see it's already set to 1. To change that, just move it up or down and click again. Okay, now we're gonna go over a BiPAP order. Turn this off. Okay, so new patient. We'll use an adult again. Scroll over to adult, select. Okay, so for a BiPAP, this will be used for someone that has a decent respiratory drive. They're protecting their own airway, probably wearing a mask. You'll use that AC control for someone that doesn't have good control of their airway. What we're gonna do is set this all up before we actually hook it up to the patient, because remember it defaults in the assist control. So before you hook it up to their mask, we're going to go over to the NPPV is flashing and until only one thing is highlighted. So we have our order here with a IPAP of 12, EPAP of 5, so 12 over 5, and an FiO2 of 100%. So that pressure support, remember, is the difference between that IPAP and EPAP, so that's going to be 7. And now you can see our PEEP automatically highlights. That's going to be 5 for that 12 over 5. Now you see that 5 plus 12 gives us our PIP of, or 5 plus 7 gives us our PIP of 12. FiO2, crank this up to 100%, and click again to confirm. Now you can see if the patient takes their own breath, it'll automatically assist them with the BiPAP. And one other thing I wanted to show was, if you've got pediatrics, the Braslo tape towards the head end has, see if I can get this to clear up. There we go. Suggested initial ventilator settings based on their color on the Braslo. So make sure to use this if indicated.